Just yesterday morning, let me know you were gone. Susan, their plans had made put an end to you. Walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I seen fire and I seen rain. Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Lonely times that I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought I'd see you again. Won't you shine down on me, Jesus? Gotta help me make a stand. You gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. Just can't make it any other way. I seen fire and I seen rain. Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought I'd see you again. I've been biding my mind to an easier time with my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Hours that time on the telephone line, talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. I seen fire and I seen rain. Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought I'd see you again. Thought I'd see you once again. Things are coming